Okay, so now let us come to the assignment operators. Now first let us go with the definition, which goes like, an assignment operator is used to assign values to a variable. This is usually combined with other operators like arithmetic bitwise, where the operation is performed on the operands and the result is assigned to the left operand. So we can know that these assignment operators will act like some shortcuts, okay, which are used to update. Now, like if I want to write in a program like a equal to a plus 1, that is like if I consider the value of a as 5, so obviously our next value will become 6, that is a plus 1. So instead of making this a lengthy procedure, we just can write it in the form of plus equal to, okay, which will tell the Python or the compiler or the interpreter what to do. Okay, so first let us consider some following examples, like a equal to 18. Here the is equal to is an assignment operator, okay, and the result will be stored in the variable of a. We know that. Okay, then secondly we have a plus equal to 10. Now the plus equal to is an assignment operator. The result is stored in the variable a. This is same as a equal to a plus 10. Okay, instead of writing this lengthy one, that is a equal to a plus 10, we will be using a plus equal to 10. So I have made here a column that is operator and description. Now let us know about these operators. So first we have the is equal to operator in our assignment operator. Okay, now I have given an example like a equal to 5. The value of 5 is assigned to a variable a. This is direct. Okay, then second we have plus equal to. Now a plus equal to is equivalent to a equal to a plus 5. Okay, then we have minus equal to, that is a minus equal to 5. So it is equivalent to a equal to a minus 5. Then we have multiplication equal to, so a multiplication equal to 3, okay, which is equivalent to a equal to a into 3. Then we have division equal to, that is a division equal to 3, okay, which is equivalent to a equal to a divided by 3. So this is a shortcut method. Okay, then we have mod equal to, so a mod equal to 3, which is equivalent to a equal to a mod 3. Then we have multiplication sign equal to sign. So now this multiplication means over here is the exponential. Okay, now a multiplication equal to 3 is equivalent to a equal to a exponent of 3. Then we have the floor division equal to, so a floor division equal to 3, which is equivalent to a floor division of 3. Then we have and equal to, so a and equal to 3, which is equivalent to a and 3. Then we have or equal to, so a or equal to 3 is equivalent to a or 3. Then we have XOR equal to, so a XOR equal to 3 is equivalent to a of a XOR 3. Then we have lesser than or equal to. Then we also have greater than or equal to. So these assignment operators will just act like the shortcuts. Okay, this is all about assignment operator. The next we will be going with the logical operators. So as we are using the term called logical operators, we can easily make out that it is going to use some AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate basically. So let us go initially with the definition, which goes like, a logical operator is used to make a decision based on multiple conditions. The logical operators used in Python are AND, OR and NOT. So we have the column over here which goes like AND returns true if both the operands are true. Now if we consider A as our first operand and B as a second operand, now we are using the AND operation. Now we know that AND is A plus B. Okay, so if it is true, then the answer we will get true. Okay, second we have the OR operation, returns true if any one of the operands are true. So A into B is equals to, if it is true then we will get true. Then third we have the NOT, so it returns true if the operand is false, because it is negation. Okay, if you are getting the answer, that will be a negative, that is why we are getting it. Then Sixth, we have the membership operators. So a membership operator is used to identify the membership in any sequences: list, string, tuples. As I've already told before, that list is a group of it is just like a group of numbers, etc. String is a group of characters, and tuple is group of numbers which is present in some specified bracket. Okay, in and not are in membership operators. In returns true if specified value is found in the sequence, returns false, okay, otherwise. Okay, now so if it is it will return true if the value is there, it is present in the sequence, then we are going to get true, or else we are going to get it as false. Not in returns true if the specified value is not found. So as you can see here, it is not means negation. So if the value is not present in the sequence, then we will be getting true, whereas if it is present, then we will be getting false. Then we have the identity operators. So let us go with the definition, which goes like: an identity operator is used to check two variables share the same memory location. Is and is not are identity operators. So we have to remember these two operators, that is and is not. Is returns true if the operand refers to the same object, or else it will return as false. Is not returns true if the operand does not refer to the same object, or else it will result false. Okay, so in identity operator, we have to note that when two values are equal, these need not be identical. Okay,